need a second. Woo! All this liquor got me second guessing. Yeah, yeah. Now he 5 shots deep. Now he 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots deep. I'ma need a second. Woo! All this liquor got me second guessing. Yeah. Now he 5 shots deep. Now he 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots deep. Yeah, yeah. Coming through late. Homie sent a Addy, so you know I'm on the way. Oh yeah. Pull up to the gate. You already buzzing, I can see it in your face. Mixing coke with that Hennessy, keeping you company. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots of me, and I know where you ought to be. Yeah.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Well, my hair looks pretty crazy, but right now I'm getting ready to go riding. I just got the GoPro out. Me and JR are gonna go explore a new spot. You guys seem to like that sandpit video we made the other day, so we're trying to find some new cool spots to ride. So we're gonna go check out this other like gravel pit type place. So yeah, hopefully it's pretty good. But other than that, I'll see you guys when we get there. I didn't even know this was here.
Yeah, I always knew this here. I knew, dude, when I used to come here when I was a kid, like, they were cool about people riding here. You know what I mean? Like, as long as you have permission, you didn't ride in here. That's the way hell it should be. Look at how you fit with this fucker. Came out of nowhere, dude.
Yo, what's going on, guys? So my hair is still a freaking mess, but anyways, we're out here in the sand pit, the new spot me and JR were coming to. It's kind of loud and it's pretty dope. So hopefully you guys seen a GoPro video of the track already, but I'm gonna get some normal shots now. Alright guys, just got some clips of JR. I think he's a little tired, he stopped, so I'm walking back. But I don't know if you guys can see, this place is pretty sick. It's a bunch of trails, they're all pretty sandy. A little swamp in between us here. But I'm gonna go see what JR is up to. Yo guys, so I just got home. It was a pretty good day riding. That was a dope little pit. So shout out to the guys for letting us go and ride. They actually all watched the video, so shout out to you guys. But other than that, it was a dope day. If you guys enjoyed, let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget, if you comment down below, I try to include you in the next video. Smash that like button and subscribe for more. Gonna wash up the bike here and call it a day. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.
I'ma need a second. Woo! All this liquor got me second guessing. Yeah, yeah. Now he 5 shots deep. Now he 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shots deep. I'ma need a second. Woo! All this liquor got me second guessing. Yeah. Now he 5 shots deep. Now he